sends it back. Heiskanen, his shot fought off by Skinner. Loose down in front and forked wide.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern El Paso County in east central Colorado, northeastern Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 8:45 p.m. At 8:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Piñon, or 14 miles north of Pueblo Airport, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pueblo Depot, Hanover, and Avondale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
When the Edmonton